The dial tone is bleeding kinfolk. Time to go full dragon. Whoa!
I'm posted in the cut, shadows dancing on the pine bowl walls, whistling Dixie through a jagged grin while the reapers making long distance calls. Got that corn liquor breath, huffing static through the rage fever. The bad killers talking about the end to convince me of shit I still ain't no believer. I'm a swamp rat king, sitting on the throne of bloody chrome. Stone top glow, still hot in my own home. He's thinking he's the real beast, the table set and he's barely the appetizer. I'm ducking every blade, I'm soaking in the grind, puffing my sticky pellet, running for the time. And the stars shine bright over the trailer park night, screaming at the voice when the pale moonlight. Looking like a dusty apparition, leaning out the window, flipping him that grim or edition. What's your favorite move? Slim, I'm barking through the wire. My mental's in the flow, lip splitting, spitting, raging hellfire. We're juggling the vibes, Friday certified, trapped in a cycle where the outcasts finally get to fly. What's up, homie? Got the whole squad chirping, echoing through the holler. A bitter pill of sounds a neighborhood has to swallow. Yeah, we see you in the tall grass, boy, you ain't the only one. Let's see who runs faster, you or the gun. I'm posted in the cut, shadows dancing on the pine board walls, whistling Dixie through a jagged grin while the reapers making long distance calls. Got that corn liquor breath, huffing static through the rage fever. The bad killers talking about the end to convince me of shit I still ain't no believer. I'm a swamp rat king, sitting on the throne of bloody chrome. Stuffed out glow, still haunting my own home. He's thinking he's a real beast, the table set and he's barely the appetizer. I'm ducking every blade, I'm soaking in the grind, puffing my sticky venom, only for the time. And the stars shine bright over the trailer park night, screaming at the voice from the pale moonlight. In the bushes, looking like a dusty apparition, leaning out the window, flipping him that grim or edition. Yo, what's your favorite move? Slim, I'm barking through the wire. My mental's in the flow, lip splitting, spitting, raging hellfire. We're juggling the vibes, fried and certified, trapped in a cycle where the outcasts finally get to fly. Got a whole squad chirping, echoing through the holler. A bitter pill of sounds a neighborhood has to swallow. Yeah. We see you in the tall grass, boy, you ain't the only one. Let's see who runs faster, friend, you or the guns.